Alright guys, let's look at this next question from CAT 2017, the second slot. Let A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 be a sequence of 5 consecutive odd numbers. Consider a new sequence of 5 consecutive even numbers ending with twice of A3. If sum of the numbers in the new sequence is 450, then A5 is. Beautiful question. And there are multiple ways of solving this. We'll look at the conventional, the first method first. A new sequence of 5 consecutive even numbers ending with twice of A3. Let's write that sequence as E1, the first even number, E2, our second even number, E3, our third even number, E4, our fourth even number, and E5, our fifth even number. Let the middle term of the sequence be 2x. E4 will be 2 more, so 2x plus 2. E2 will be 2x minus 2. Same way, E5 will be 2x plus 2, which is 2x plus 4. Similarly, E1 will be 2x minus 2 minus 2, so 2x minus 4. This is the set of all the 5 even numbers, and the sum has been given as 450. So when I add these 5 even numbers, guys, minus 4 plus 4 cancels, minus 2 plus 2 cancels. I only have 2x coming up 5 times. So 2x coming up 5 times is basically 10x. 10 into x is 450. That gives me x is equal to 45. Now, if x is 45, the last term here E5 is 2 into x plus 4, which will be 2 into 45 plus 4. 2 into 45 is 90 plus 4 is 94. So the sequence is ending with 94, E5 being 94. But we also know that E5 is twice of A3. So twice of A3 is the last term 94 we have found. And that means A3 will be equal to 47. That's it. So now this question tells me that A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 is a set of 5 consecutive odd numbers. If A3 is 47, A4 will be 2 more, 49, and A5 will be 2 more, 51, and that's the answer to my question. You can figure out 45 and 43 as A1 and A2, but that's not required in the question anywhere, so we can leave it. Our answer will be A5 being 51. So that was one method, guys. Let's look at a slightly better way of dealing with this question. If sum of the 5 numbers in the new sequence, the sum of the 5 even numbers is 450, then guys, E1, E2, E3, E4 and E5 are 5 consecutive even numbers as per the question, and their sum is 450. Guys, 5 consecutive even numbers will always form an AP, right? This is an arithmetic progression. And for an AP, we know that whenever there are odd number of terms, the middle term itself is the average or the arithmetic mean. The sum is 450 for these 5 terms, and we have 5 terms. So arithmetic mean will be 450 upon 5, and that is 90. Arithmetic mean is 90. So the middle term here would be 90. And that tells me that E4 and E5 would be 92 and 94. But we know that E5 is nothing but twice of A3. So I get A3 as 47 from here. And bingo. A4 will be 49. 2 more. And A5 will be 2 more, 51. So we don't need to make any complicated equation and get the value of x. We can directly observe and write the mean. And the mean of all these 5 terms is 90. It is a middle term. So the last term is 94. That tells me A3 is 47 and A5 is 51. A very short and sweet solution for this question. The answer is 51.